Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to model this house step by step, a perfect project for beginner learners. Also, if you're interested in learning SketchUp and D5 render tutorials, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Draw a rectangle with the rectangle tool. Its shortcut is R. Then type 500, 500. 500 centimeters by 500 centimeters dimensions. Then with the offset tool, offset it 10 centimeters. With the push-pull tool, its shortcut is P. Extrude the walls 270 centimeters. Then, with the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle here. Its shortcut is R. Type 90, 200. I want to make place for door, with dimensions 90 centimeters by 200 centimeters. The door by 90 centimeters width and 200 centimeters height, like this. Double-click on the rectangle and move it from the center point to the midpoint of the wall. Then with the push-pull tool, its shortcut is P. Extrude this face up to the back of wall, or extrude it up to the back edge to hold the wall for door, like this. With the tape measure tool, I want to have a guideline from the bottom of this wall up to 100 centimeters. And also I want to have another guideline, from this guideline 100 centimeters as well. And also another guideline from this edge 50 centimeters. And another guideline from this edge 180 centimeters, like this. Then select the rectangle tool. Its shortcut is R. Draw a rectangle across here. Select the rectangle by double-clicking. I want to mirror this window in the left side as well. With the flip tool, I want to flip it. Click on the flip tool, then by the red axis. I want to flip it from the midpoint of the wall, and during the flipping, hit the Control key to take copy during flipping. Like this. Also, you can do this. First flip the window. After flipping, hit the Control key, and the window will mirror. After that, extrude the window by double-clicking. SketchUp locks the previous extrusion. If you double-click, SketchUp extrudes that face to the previous extrusion. In another window, I want to double-click to hold the wall for window as well. Erase the guidelines. You can do this with the Erase tool. Its shortcut is E. And if you want to erase all the guidelines with one click, go to the Edit tab and click on Delete Guidelines. Now, I'm going to draw a window frame. Draw a rectangle using the Rectangle tool. Its shortcut is R. And then use the Offset tool to offset this rectangle 3 centimeters. Erase the middle face by clicking on it and pressing the Delete key. Use the Push-Pull tool to extrude this window frame to the back of the wall. After that, triple-click to select the entire frame. Before you make a new object like the window frame, you should first make the house a group. This will prevent the wall from being selected when you triple-click the frame. Now I'll draw another rectangle with the Rectangle tool. Offset it 3 centimeters. And erase the middle face by pressing the Delete key. Extrude the face 10 centimeters. Then triple-click to select it all and make it a component. Name it Window Frame. Using the Paint Bucket tool, its shortcut is B. I will apply a color to this frame. Go to Materials, then Solid Colors. And pick a dark gray. Now, go inside the component. From the midpoint, I want to draw a rectangle. I'll pick a glass material to apply to my window. To make some changes to the glass, go to the Edit, where you can change the color and opacity. I want to increase the opacity of my glass. Finally, I want to make a copy of this window and add it to the left side as well. I'll use the Move tool and press the Control key to take a copy of it. After that, I want to draw a door frame for this house. Draw a rectangle. Then select the face with the connected edges by double-clicking. After that, hold the Shift key, then right-click on the bottom edge to deselect the edge and also deselect the face. I want to offset these three edges 3 centimeters. The shortcut for the Offset tool is F. Delete this face. Then extrude that face 10 centimeters. Triple-click to select it all and make it a group. I want to pick this dark gray color from the window frame to apply to the door frame. And hold the Alt key and click on the dark gray color. Apply it to the door frame like this. Draw a rectangle here. Extrude it 5 centimeters by the Push-Pull tool. And by the Tape Measure tool, I want to have some guidelines. One from the bottom to top 80 centimeters. And also from the right side of the door, I want to have another guideline at 10 centimeters. Here at this point, I want to draw a door handle for my door. By the Circle tool, draw a circle here. The shortcut for the Circle tool is C. Draw a circle with a 1.5 centimeters radius. If you see here, the circle doesn't have enough segments. If you want to increase and decrease the segments, click on the circle's edge, then right-click Entity Info. Here, you can increase and decrease the number of segments. So here, I want to increase it up to 50 segments. It's looking much smoother now. By the Push-Pull tool, extrude it 2 centimeters. During extruding, press the Control key to extrude another face 1.5 centimeters like this. Double-click on this face. Then by the Scale tool, the shortcut for the Scale tool is S. I want to scale at 1.4. Then, extrude it again 1.7 centimeters like this. Here I want to scale this face and this face a little bit more. It's looking much better. Now, I want to select this door handle and make it group. After that, triple-click on the door panel and make it group also. Go to the Edit tab and delete guides. Now we need to draw a roof for this house. Draw a rectangle. With the Line tool, I want to draw a line from the midpoint of this rectangle. Here, the shortcut for the Line tool is L. The line must be straight along the y-axis. With the Move tool, move it along the z-axis. Hold the Shift key to lock the z-axis like this, and move it up 140 centimeters. With the Line tool, draw a line across here, and another line at the back as well. Now, with the Offset tool, its shortcut is F. Offset this face 8 centimeters. With the Line tool, draw a line here, and here as well. Delete this line. Extrude this with the Push-Pull tool. And also here, extrude it 30 centimeters. And here, extrude it by double-clicking 30 centimeters. From the materials, I want to pick a roof material to apply to this roof. Go to the inside of the group and select these edges by holding the Shift key or the Control key. If you want to select multiple objects in SketchUp, hold the Shift key or the Control key. And if you want to deselect an object in SketchUp, hold the Shift key. Move these selected edges up 100 centimeters. Like this. From the materials, I want to pick a brick material and apply it to this part of the wall. If you want to edit the material, go to Edit. And here you can resize materials. I want to make it a little bit smaller, like this. And also, I want to hide these lines. I'm going to hide these edges as well. Now it's looking very nice. Here, I want to pick a material from the Materials, Asphalt, and Concrete section. I want to pick this texture to apply it to the walls. The size of the texture is so big, I want to resize it. Go to Edit, then scroll a bit here. I'm going to type 50 and apply it. Hold the Alt key and click on the edited material to pick it. After that, apply it to this part of the walls as well. So, apply the material here as well. Apply the material at the back of the house as well. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new in SketchUp. Don't forget to like, subscribe to 3DSN, and turn on the bell for more tutorials. Feel free to leave your feedback in the comments. Ask me any questions, and let me know what tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.